Hi everyone, welcome to ITPK. In today's quick tutorial, we will learn the step-by-step process of deploying Company Portal app via Microsoft Intune. With the help of Company Portal application, an employee can access your company resources securely, and also a user or employee can enroll their devices with the help of Company Portal. Also, let's say if the user have multiple devices, right, he or she will be able to manage their devices via company portal application. For your information, company portal is also a web-based, but in this lecture, we will going to see the process of deploying desktop application of company portal app. So we will be going to deploy company portal applications for Windows devices. But before going to deployment of company portal application for Windows devices, I just want to show you the URL and how we could access company portal in the browser. Let's open Microsoft Edge, and in Microsoft Edge, let's write portal.manage.microsoft.com and press enter. This is the URL to access company portal application in your browser. Okay, now let's go ahead without wasting time and see how we could deploy company portal application for Windows devices from Microsoft Intune Admin Center. Before proceeding, please make sure you have subscribed my channel, you have hit a like button and press the notification icon for upcoming videos tutorial. So let's go ahead and click on apps. In the app section, we are here specific to Windows app because we want to deploy company portal app to a Windows devices, right? So let's click on add in the app type. So in here, after clicking on app type, make sure you have selected Microsoft Store app new, not the legacy, right? So let's select the new and click the select button. Here you don't need to do any special configuration and only you have to go to search the Microsoft Store, new app, and simply you will search for company portal here. Okay, here you go. We got a company portal here. Click on select. Now, as we have selected a company portal app, here we have few options that we could update and few that we could not. If you want to change the name of company portal, you could change that. If you want to change the description, you do that. But I'm not doing any of that here. Publisher, we have the Microsoft. Scroll a little down, package identifier, installer type. I'm skipping these and install behavior will be system based, right? We could select as a user based, but better to select a system based. So in the category, we want to select productivity here and information URL if you want to enter any information URL, privacy URL, developer URL, owner or notes, anything from Microsoft, you could do that. And at the end, if you want to select your company logo here, you have that logo image. You can go to select image and here you can directly navigate to the folder where you have logo and upload that logo here. Click OK. So I'm not selecting any of logo here and I want to proceed to next here. Now here we have to assign this company portal app to a group and we have three options here. Required will be installed silently on all of the computer and available for enrolled devices. This will be available in the company portal app for enrolled devices, right? And the next, if you want to uninstall this company portal app, you can directly go to uninstall option and you can uninstall this. Let's set it to all of the devices. Okay, we need this as a required for all of the devices. Let's click next, and here you could review all of your settings, and if you decide to change any of the setting, you can go back. I have. So once you are 100% sure with your all of the configuration, you can go ahead and simply click create. Right now, this will simply deploy the company portal. So once the devices will get synced, with company Endpoint Manager or Microsoft Intune. This company portal app will get deployed one by one on all of the devices silently and will be available in the search menu here, right? And once the company portal will get deployed, or once the devices start syncing with your Microsoft Intune, you will get the results like this here in the Management Center. Let's see. Here are few of the devices that gets installed company portal app, and we can see the status and also the device's name here. That's very perfect. And if you want to still change any of the setting here, you can come to properties and you can change settings. So that's it about today's simple, quick and to the point tutorial. I hope you enjoyed the simple tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe ITPK. Don't forget to support ITPK. Thanks for watching. Keep watching. Take care. Bye.